Hi, welcome to my shop. I'm Paolo Brada. Please remember to like, share and comment this video and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, to realize the framework we need a glass of a scanner and pallet. Take measure and we mark where to cut with the hacksaw. Cut the board. We place the glass and we mark where we will frame him. We make smooth all axes. We cut with a cutter and dig with a wood chisel or sharpened screwdriver. We finish the job with a rasp for wood. We mark where to drill to insert the pins. We make the holes with the drill. We assemble all, gluing with wood glue. We paint the frame with the desired color. When it's dry, if we want, remove the paint in some parts. We create the bottom with the cardboard. We fix the hook to hang the picture. We close everything with nails and hammer. And here is the finished result. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.